everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I've got a quick little video for doing a heat transfer pillow. I noticed in Cricut the other day that they have this great new wine set called Wine a Little. So when I saw this image, I just knew I had to make a pillow out of it. So I did a mistake in this and I wanted to leave it in here and show you as a teaching moment. And of course, whatever the size of your pillow and material is, you just, size it accordingly. But the thing that I wanted to point out is when you're doing heat transfer, you've always got to remember to mirror it. Now, if you're just doing regular heat transfer vinyl, it will cut on the vinyl setting of your machine, but it will not remind you to mirror it. If you go to custom and you select an iron-on option, it will remind you to mirror your image. So that is my tip for today, always to remember to mirror and to select the exact material that you're using so the machine will prompt you. And I use 3 different sources for my vinyl. I use Cricut, I use Happy Crafters, and I also use Arteza. So that was my video for today. Here's a final look at my pillow. It turned out awesome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again real soon.